Do you know your ego is so loud that we can easily spot it? And that's your tiny act of pretense. And your higher self is so quiet that even when you are on the path, without you being telling anyone, nobody will notice it. The real question is, which one of these are you listening to? Your ego or your higher self? Whenever you feel the urge to prove yourself in a little argument, that's your ego, man. Yes, that's your ego. But whenever you feel calm and confident, even in a midst of chaos, that is your higher self.
Wow!
So, my friend, I urge you today to choose the quiet voice and comment quiet if you are choosing your higher self today.